Hello student, welcome back to the class. In previous class, we have discussed about congruent figures, different congruency rule of triangles, and today using these rules, we will prove two theorems. Theorem 1, angle opposite to equal side of isosceles triangles are equal, and second one, the side opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Firstly, we will discuss about the congruency rule which will be used in these theorems. That one is SAS congruency rule and AAS congruency rule. SAS congruency rule, you can recall. SAS congruency rule state that if in one triangle two sides and included angle is equal to two sides and included angle of another triangle, then triangles are congruent by SAS congruency rule. Similarly, AAS congruency rule says if one triangle have two angles and adjacent side equal to two angles and adjacent side, then triangles will be congruent by AAS congruency rule. One more thing, we will use CPCT. CPCT state that corresponding parts of congruent triangles. That means congruent triangles have corresponding parts equal. Let us move on our theorem. Firstly, we have to prove angle opposite to equal side of isosceles triangle are equal. Means कि isosceles triangles की equal side के जो opposite angle हैं that are equal. Suppose we have a isosceles triangle ABC. ABC in which side AC is equal to side CB. Side, and we have to prove कि angle A equal to angle B. We have to prove angle A equal to angle B. Here we are given a isosceles triangle ABC in which side AB is equal to side BC, and we have to prove angle BAD is equal to angle CBD or angle A equal to angle C. I think you are clear about given and to prove. Here ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB side is equal to side BC. सबसे पहले हम एक कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे इसमें, और वो कंस्ट्रक्शन ये है कि वी ड्रा लाइन सेगमेंट BD एंड BD इज सच दैट कि एंगल ABD इक्वल टू एंगल CBD मीन्स कि एंगल B को बाइसेक्ट करते हुए हमने एक लाइन सेगमेंट BD ड्रॉ कर लिया. नाउ वी हैव टू ट्राइंगल्स, ट्राइंगल ABD and triangle CBD. From these, our aim is to prove these triangles congruent. Side AB is equal to BC, that is given. Angle ABD equal to angle CBD by construction, and BD equal to BD, that is common side. Now you can see here in these two triangles, two sides and angle included between these sides is equal. Then by SAS side angle side कॉन्ग्रुएंसी रूल के द्वारा ट्राइंगल ABD इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्राइंगल CBD, और वी कैन से दैट कि ट्राइंगल ABD is congruent to triangle CBD by SAS congruency rule. So using CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle, angle BAD is equal to angle CBCD, or you can say कि angle A equal to angle C. In this way we have proved that angle opposite to equal side of isosceles triangles are equal. Next, opposite of this one, this side opposite to equal angle of a triangle are equal. Here we are given in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC angle A equal to angle C, and we have to prove side AB is equal to side BC. Similarly, we will construct line segment BD such that angle 1 is equal to angle 2, means bisect angle B. Firstly given है हमें, given है angle DAB equal to angle BCD, और हमने कंस्ट्रक्ट किया है दिस वन कि एंगल 1 इक्वल टू एंगल 2, दैट मीन्स कि वी बाइसेक्ट एंगल B drawing BD line segment. Now from triangle ABD and triangle CBD, angle DAB equal to angle DCB, angle DCB, that is given. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 by construction, and BD equal to BD, that is common side. So using angle side, so using AS congruency rule, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD. Then by CPCT we can say that कि their corresponding parts will be equal. That means कि AB will be equal to CB. So we have proved that कि the sides opposite to equal angle of a triangle are equal. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.